Hello everyone. Let's talk about upgrading your storage with the MZVLB512HBJQ SSD, a solid-state drive that's making waves as a compatible replacement for the Samsung PM981a MZVLB512B. This little powerhouse packs a punch with its 512 GB capacity, offering a significant boost in speed and responsiveness compared to traditional hard drives. It utilizes the PCI Express 3.0x4 interface and NVMe protocol, which translates to incredibly fast data transfer rates. We're talking about significantly reduced boot times, quicker application loading, and a smoother overall computing experience. The M.2 2280 form factor ensures it fits into a wide range of laptops and desktops, making it a versatile upgrade option. The drive employs TLC, or triple-level cell, NAND flash memory. TLC strikes a good balance between performance, cost, and longevity, making it a popular choice for mainstream SSDs. While it might not be quite as durable as more expensive MLC-based drives, advancements in controller technology and wear leveling algorithms have significantly improved the lifespan of TLC SSDs. In terms of real-world performance, users can expect snappy responsiveness when opening large files, editing photos and videos, and even during demanding gaming sessions. The NVMe interface really shines in these scenarios, providing a noticeable improvement over SATA-based SSDs. Compatibility is a key selling point here. The MZVLB512HBJQ SSD is designed as a compatible replacement for the Samsung PM981a, a popular OEM drive found in many laptops. This means that if you're looking to upgrade or replace a failing PM981a, this SSD is a strong contender. It's always recommended to double-check compatibility with your specific system before purchasing, but the design as a replacement makes it a generally safe bet. The fact that it's a generic branded drive might raise some eyebrows, but don't let that deter you. Many of these drives are manufactured by reputable companies and simply sold under a different label. The focus here is on providing a cost-effective alternative without sacrificing performance or reliability. Overall, the MZVLB512HBJQ SSD is a compelling option for anyone seeking a fast and reliable NVMe SSD upgrade. Its compatibility with the Samsung PM981a, combined with its impressive performance and reasonable price point, makes it a worthwhile consideration for breathing new life into your laptop or desktop. Just be sure to do your homework and confirm compatibility with your specific system before making the purchase.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.